Good morning, guys. Welcome to Social Studies class. Let's work on summary number 1 about latitude and longitude. This is the topic you have to copy. Latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude are imaginary lines drawn on maps to easily locate places on the earth. Using these locations is how ships and planes travel. Also, people that use a map travel using these locations, latitude and longitude. Now, copy please. Lines of latitude. Make the drawing and copy the information. The circle doesn't have to be so big. What I want is that you understand that lines of latitude runs from left to right or from right to left. So draw a circle. Draw a circle and the lines. The line that is at the middle that divides the earth into the northern hemisphere, which is here, up, in southern hemisphere, it is the equator. Alan, you have to draw this and copy the information. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into the northern and the southern hemisphere. And the latitude lines runs in horizontal way from left to right. The equator is like the starting point. That's why it's 0 degrees. That's why it is 0 degrees. So you can move from the equator to the north and you count the degrees, starting on the equator in 0. Okay?
Please, your microphone.
If you move, okay, if you go to United States, you are going north. If you are traveling to United States, if you are traveling to
Miss, I am going to United States in October.
In October, really?
In October is the birthday of my mom.
In October is the birthday of my father.
27th of September, I'm going to the playa.
You go to the beach. Wow,
To
nice.
a house with a piscina olímpica.
In October is the birthday of my father.
In October.
Is the birthday of my mom.
Was. Yesterday was. Was the birthday of my mom. So happy birthday to your mom, Cristel. I hope you enjoy the day and you show all the love you feel for your mom, and you make her feel, you make her feel very happy yesterday, and you have to do the same every single day. Okay, so again, if you travel north to the United States, for example, you are moving the degrees north increases, and if you travel south, so the same, the equator starting 0 into the south, the degrees increases according to the location. Did you finish, class?
No.
Okay, so let me show you what else you have to copy. You have to copy lines on longitude, and you also make the drawing. At the end of the class, you can color them very soft, because the lines the latitude lines doesn't have to vanish. They don't have to disappear. So shade the circles, but softly, please, softly. Here, lines of longitude are meridians. Why meridians? Because the prime meridian is the imaginary line that divides the Earth into the eastern, here, and the western hemisphere. Okay, let me write the hemisphere here. This is western hemisphere. Okay, at this line, I did this letter, this too big. And at the other side is, here is the east.
Where we are. Where we are.
What do you say?
Where we are.
Where am I? Oh,
No,
we are
where
in,
is our country?
we.
Yeah. Mira, you put off your microphone and your camera.
Okay. So in here, what do we have? Here we have northern hemisphere, which is divided by the equator, and here south. Remember that we have southern hemisphere. We have the hemisphere. We have the Rosa Nautica. How did you call that in English class? Do you remember?
No.
No.
Nautic Rose.
Is that
Nautic Rose.
in English?
Where's our country?
The country. What country, sweetie? What country, sweetie?
Honduras.
That's our country.
Yeah, where is it?
Okay, I remember. It's a compass rose. Remember that the compass rose shows the cardinal directions and the intermediate. In this case, we have cardinal directions. North here.
I remember that.
We have north here.
North,
South, the compass rose. South, here we have west and east. So according to this cardinal directions, the names of the hemisphere. This is east, the hemisphere is eastern. West, western. And western and eastern hemisphere are divided by the prime meridian, because the prime meridian divides Earth into two hemispheres. These lines are called meridians, and the meridians lines goes from up to down. As the equator, the prime meridian is 0 degrees, or is the starting point. Es la línea, el punto de inicio. And in the latitude, the starting point is the equator, which is 0 degrees. All of these lines are imaginary lines. Jose Sebastian, did you finish copying? Did you copy everything? Sebastian?
Miss, I can call her.
Sebastian, yeah, if you finish, yes.
Yeah.
Did you copy everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Continue, guys. Did you copy everything?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going in the.
Miss, you say
in the
that
other
we need to
one.
copy the circle pink.
I'm in the purple one because I finished the green one.
Out of Spanish. I continue. I am doing the circle with the tape.
But the information is already written in your notebook. Ivana,
What?
is the information written in your notebook?
Yes, I already copied the blue one, and I'm going to copy in the purple one.
Okay.
It's always this.
Yes, it is.
I finished,
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, guys, excellent. So now, look at this. To find locations, as I say, you have to read the latitude first and then the longitude. I have an example here. Let's do this in 1 minute.
We need to copy.
Now, what continent is 40 degrees north? So first of all, we need to find north is up. And 40 degrees is 40 degrees north here, right? This one. 40 degrees north here. So it's this line.
Found
And
countries.
20 degrees east.
Miss, I think I found.
20 degrees east is this, the numbers in parentheses. Here, 20, here. So it could be 20 is here.
I got the answer.
So
Miss.
what continent is 40 here? Europe. So the continent that is 40 degrees north and 20 degrees east is Europe. See, this is how we do it. What ocean is found as at 20 degrees south? Okay, 20 degrees south is here, is all this line. And 100 degrees east. East is here, east. 20 degrees east, here. No, sorry, 100 degrees east. 100 degrees east, here. 100 degrees is this line. So,
Asia.
what ocean is here? Because we are working with 20 here.
Indian Ocean. I think
Indian Ocean.
Yeah.
Indian Ocean. What are you doing, Gabriel? You have to be watching the screen. What continent is at? What continent is at 20 degrees south? Here, 20 degrees south and 100 degrees east. 100 degrees east is this one here. So it's this line, all of this line. What continent is this one?
Australia.
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 So this is how we locate places using latitude and longitude. So, no homework for this week. So I guess you're happy because of that.
That's the, oh.
What happened?
The next question was, what, oh, I think an ocean was in 14 degrees and 114 degrees.
Okay. Okay, guys. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay?
Bye, Miss. I
Bye.
love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.